guys, you might be wondering why I sound deep. I'm actually excited. Well, let's look at this. So, I have, something I want to show. I got this in the mail today. An R179 C train. Okay, let's open it up. It has a smudge. I don't know if you noticed. There's a smudge. Kind of weird. But you know, that's fine. Nothing damaged. It's normal. Let's get a comparison. Wait. I'll be right back. I put on my arm to see if it's gross. Alright, I'm back. I got the F Express. I can't find the box, so I don't have it. Okay, here's the R160 F Express size. Here's the R179 C train and size. Comment down below which one do you think is a little less wider and which one do you think is more wider. Because I literally can't tell the difference between these two. Alright, bye.